Hello friends. Welcome to my channel, Healthful Motive. After watching this video, you are able to calculate BMI, that is body mass index, to know your weight status. According to BMI, your weight status is either underweight, normal, overweight, or obese. So, without wasting
Hey guys, in this video we will discuss what is BMI, the formula for calculating BMI, that is body mass index, weight status according to BMI, example and conclusion. Before starting the video, if you are visiting this channel for first time, then subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. First of all, let us know about BMI. Body mass index is an approximate measure of whether someone is underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese. Then, formulas for calculating BMI, that is body mass index, in metric unit is BMI is equal to weight in kilogram divided by height in meters bracket square, or formula for calculating body mass index in imperial units, that is BMI is equal to weight in pounds divided by height in inches bracket square into 703. Put the values in formula and calculate body mass index. Then, if calculated BMI is less than 18.5, then you are underweight, or your BMI in between 18.5 to 24.9, then congratulations, you are normal weight or healthy weight. Then 25.0 to 29.9 BMI is overweight. Then 30.0 to 34.9 is obesity class 1. 35.0 to 39.9 is obesity class 2, and more than 40 is obesity class 3. Obesity class 1, obesity class 2 and obesity class 3 are for risk. So we want to lose the weight for the healthy and fit life. Let's move forward and understand calculating BMI with example. Assume a person having body weight around 60 kg, that is 132.28 pounds, and the height is 1.64 meters, that is 64.96 inches. Then calculate BMI. There are two methods. Method 1, in metric unit, BMI is equal to height in kg divided by weight in kg divided by height in meter bracket square. So BMI is equal to 60 divided by 2.67, that is the square of meter. Then BMI is equal to 22.3. Then other method for calculating BMI, method 2, imperial units. BMI is equal to weight in pounds divided by height in inches bracket square into 703. So BMI is equal to 132.28 divided by 64.96 square into 703. So BMI is equal to 22.3. So conclusion is the person with that weight and height is normal weight because of BMI in between 18.5 to 24.9 is the healthy weight we discussed before in previous slides. If you are obese or underweight, then consult to your doctor or stay connected with Helpful Motive. Subscribe the channel Helpful Motive for the further videos for lose the weight or increase the weight. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay connected with Helpful Motive, stay healthy and stay happy. Thank you so much.